And now a new charge comes up, and she said, well, it might not be him, and there were gaps, and she said she was totally inebriated, and she was all messed up, and she doesn't know it was him, but it might have been him. Oh, gee, let's not make him a Supreme Court judge because of that.
The new accusation against Brett Kavanaugh is so full of holes that it might even do more to hurt Democrats than help them. I'm Anders Hagstrom, and these are the facts. The new accuser, Deborah Ramirez, claims Kavanaugh exposed himself to her at a Yale party. Or at least she thinks he probably did. It took her 6 days of, quote, carefully assessing her memories to even say that Kavanaugh was the one who did it. But here's the kicker. No one else says this ever happened. The New York Times, which is hardly a friend to the Trump administration, declined to run this story because they interviewed dozens of people who were at Yale at the time, and none of them remember this happening. The New Yorker, which did run the story, also has 0 eyewitnesses. The 2 people who Ramirez says were both there said they didn't remember the party. 3 more people who were friends with both Kavanaugh and Ramirez at the time say they never heard about the incident. And to top it all off, the reason Ramirez is going public is because Senate Democrats contacted her about it.
Would you be interested in helping us stop a conservative judge from sitting on the Supreme Court?
The original accusation from Christine Ford is questionable enough, but to believe Ramirez, you have to ignore the accounts of several people who were there at the time. Kavanaugh and the White House are saying it reeks of a desperate smear, and Senate Democrats really aren't being coy here.
Guess who's perpetuating all of these kinds of actions? It's the men in this country.
They say there's no reason to presume Kavanaugh's innocence in either case. Meanwhile, creepy porn lawyer Michael Avenatti says he has another Kavanaugh accuser, but he's refusing to give evidence.
Creepy porn lawyer, great to see you.
Let's be honest, if accusations like these are enough to bring down a Supreme Court nominee, then almost anything is.